Not again. This is the reason I've not come to see you. I can't stand the sadness in your face. What do you expect me to do? When my holy brother who cares, who protects and cares for me, has been taken away. Now my mother is very sick and you expect me to be happy. If you are sad, what else do you want me to do? I don't know. I don't know. So, now, where is Mama? She's inside, still sleeping. Let's go inside and prepare food for Mama. Come on, let's go, please. Or you want me to cry? Let's go. Come on.
It's okay. Wait, it's okay, wait. It's okay. I would have probably let you go like that, seeing you in such condition.
Thank you very much.
Please, enough of all this thank you.
Aziba will hear of this when he comes back.
You are right. Aziba will be glad to hear about it. And they will do the same for me. It's okay. I have to be on my way home now. I was only returning from the farm when I saw you.
So soon. When is it going to be too long?
I will be coming tomorrow.
Keep to your promise.
I will do just as thinking about him at this time. Come to think of it, could you still be alive? It's okay. It's okay. Can't you see the light I'm giving you? Aziba, I know you're dead.
Please just let yourself out of Isoke's heart. Isoke, you're mine.
You don't mean it. You mean that you had a dream?
My dream does not fill me at all. And so, Nadiakhe is coming home alive.
Yes, that is what I'm also praying for. That our ancestors should guide her and give her all that she seeks for.
Papa, I'll walk here.
Papa, you're welcome.
Amazing.
No, yes, Papa.
You are here.
Yes, Papa.
Papa, how was the community meeting?
What? The meeting went well. We had some deliberations and we ended very well. What is it? Ifueko. Amazing. Speak to me. Is it about Nadiakhe?
Stop crying, like baby, no more for How can I stop crying when my brother is nowhere to be found? I don't know what might have happened to him. Maziba is fine. Nothing will happen to him. Then if nothing has happened to him, why is he not home? Why all those nightmares I keep having almost every night? Sister, please. Maziba is fine. And Maziba will come home soon. He said it's fine. Yet you are sad. Don't deceive me, okay? I am not sad. Something just fell into my eyes, okay? I'm not sad. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm not. Let's just go, okay, please.
Last time you heard from me?
That was about 3 days now.
Why the face? Is everything okay with her?
She's fine. But she's making things difficult for me.
Difficult? How do you mean she's making things difficult for you?
I mean every word I just said.
Akugbe. So what are you going to do now?
And I will never give up on her, no matter what.
Well, my friend, in whatever you do, in whatever you do, just try and be careful.
Yes, I will. But I strongly believe that Aziba is not coming any moment from now. He's gone and he's dead.
Akugbe. You cannot be so sure. Well, if that's what you say, I will still tell you. Be careful. In the meantime, we have
And who are you? Please! Don't hurt me, please. I beg of you.
Azeba, the great warrior of Umaland. I mean no harm. Be full of courage.
How do you know about me?
Azeban, rejoice, for you shall save your people from slavery.
Don't scare me. And how do you know about me and my people?
I am Amadi, the great warrior of 7 mountains and valleys. Take, eat.
Eat your food? No, I don't know you. You want me to eat your food? I won't.
Azeba, take and eat. You need it. For we shall journey for 3 days and 3 nights. Take.
You're still outside. It's dark.
Well, I was just out here to have some fresh air so that I will know.
Father, check the meal. How was it?
The meal was nice and I enjoyed it. Ifueko,
Yes, Papa.
what is it?
Mm,
Ifueko.
Father, Amaze's constant visits. Does it mean that there is still hope? Or,
Ifueko,
Papa,
these are questions not meant for mortals. Only the gods and the spirits have answers to it.
that is the visit. Baba, something is telling me that she will come home with me.
I pray the gods of our land hit to your bidding.
You say... Baba, it's cold outside. I want to go inside.
You want to go inside?
I'm feeling sleepy.
You're feeling sleepy. Gotten the answer to what you came for. Your night is now cold. If we're cold, you can go in and sleep.
Oh, for good night.
Good night. Like your mother. Very inquisitive.
You scared me. What is it?
Maiden of Grace,
Fear not. Aziba will come back.
Wait. What? Wait. He talks? Ogbe has never talked. What is going on? Ogbe, wait for me. Ogbe, wait.
Ogogo, how are you?
Good afternoon, Akube.
It's okay. What happened? I waited for you all through yesterday, but you didn't show up.
I was busy with domestic work at home.
No problem. Will I be seeing you today?
Yes, when I'm done preparing food.
Thank you very much. I'll be waiting for you at all.
Wait, it's okay. Are you seeing Akube?
Something like that.
So okay. I thought you love Aziba. What happens if Aziba come back home?
Ogogo, let's go home before the sun sets.
So okay. So okay.
Please don't hurt me, please. Please, I'm just an innocent orphan seeking for justice. Please don't hurt me. Just an innocent orphan seeking for justice. Please don't hurt me. I mean, no evil, please.
Fear not, Nadiakhe.
Yeah!
Hey! That which you seek may not be easy, but believe me, you will achieve it if you diligently follow me.
Eh? Follow you? Where? Where are you from? Who are you?
I am Erin, the great servant of Uku, the priestess of 7 forests and ocean.
All I seek is
the heir to your father's throne.
But how did you know?
Nadiakhe. Enough. Let's go.
Dreaming. My princess. My princess. Who is there?
It's me, oh.
You're welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, sister. And you?
Fine, oh. When last did you see your friend? It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay, it's fine.
And since my brother is no more, she needs to live her life. I have to let her go.
I truly believe that one day Aziba will turn back home.
Yes, I have this strong belief that my brother will return home. Join me, let's pick this banga to prepare a delicious meal
Oh, I'd love to, but I need to rush to the stream to get water for my father.
Go ahead.
Thank you, sister.
Where are we going to? Eh? Where in the name of the ghost are you even taking me to? See. I go no further. I'm thirsty and even hungry. I'm not going anywhere again. I'm not going anywhere.
The journey is not an easy task, so let's keep going.
I go no further than this. I go nowhere. We are just going.
The freedom you deserve from your people lies in this journey. And again, your innocency lies in this journey. So choose whether to continue or go back.
Please, where are you? Eh? Where are you now? Don't leave me here, please. I don't know anywhere from here. Please, where are you?
Hey, follow me.
Eh? Follow you, but I can't see you. I can't see you. Where are you?
Yeah, I am.
Where?
That's how they disappeared. And I did not see any of them around.
Any cow.
Papa, I was covered with great fear. It was like a dream to me.
Nadiakhe's innocency is not far at all.
Indeed, a man of wisdom. I always know that she is innocent.
Only the gods decides the fate of a man. Let us wait and see if Nadiakhe comes or not.
Baba, it is clear. It is clear that she is alive.
Ifueko, that is left for the gods to decide.
Papa, what could be the young man with her?
Only the gods have answers to that question.